Hi guys, this is Divisha Agrawal. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while that I showed up here with a video like this. I've been posting a lot on Instagram these days and वहाँ पे मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा query किसी चीज़ की आ रही है तो वो इस चीज़ की कि मैं अपने जीन्स, बॉटम्स, ट्राउजर्स, शॉर्ट्स ये सब कहाँ से खरीद रही हूँ. So I thought why not compile it in a YouTube video for you to access. So yeah, this video is all about must-have bottoms, especially for a skinny girl like me. A little coffee ASMR before we shoot. भाई मैं बहुत अच्छी कॉफ़ी बनाती हूँ. Firstly, I'll start with denims because that's the most asked question always. Then we'll move on to trousers and different types of pants. And last में मैं short clothes, skirts, all of that I'll cover. So you can watch it accordingly, according to your need. Now, first one has to be this straight fit denim. I have it in this dark blue color because it goes with literally everything and anything. And this one fits me so perfectly. It looks so nice when I style it with a nice fancy top. I got this from H&M. Because H&M does one of the best fitting denims and मुझे उसका fit एकदम बैठ गया है. I wear number 6 and if you're skinnier than me then you should go for number 4 and of course they have bigger sizes as well, so you can choose accordingly. I absolutely love and adore this particular pair in my closet. Also I feel I have a little longer legs and I'm a little tall, so कुछ denims H&M के मुझे short होते हैं and for that I go to brands like Bershka, Zara, but H&M is something that I count on and I blindly place order online for H&M denims. Next up I have my favorite bootcut denims from H&M because this shade I fell in love with this particular color wash the minute I saw it, and then when I wore it, it fits me like a glove and I absolutely love it. मैं actually इसको save कर रही हूँ just to wear on special occasions. That's how much I love this particular denims. Now this one is a high-rise bootcut denim. I have a darker shade in the same one here. So I just mix and match and wear according to whatever the occasion is. I feel bootcut denims look really great on skinny girls. Why? I'll tell you, because it cinches you at the waist and then it flares as you go niche. So it just complements your body type. Basically it won't make your legs look too skinny, but you would have that proper shape when you're wearing these kind of denims. I would urge you to try one for yourself and see how you feel in it, because I feel really confident wearing one of these. Lastly, in the denim category I have wide-legged denims. Now for the longest time मैं wide-legged jeans को avoid कर रही थी. I was like I would look too skinny because they are baggy and they are long and stuff like that. But then when I tried this one on, I absolutely loved it. I have another one in a darker shade. These are so comfortable and airy कि मैं एक hot humid day को भी इसको पहन के निकल सकती हूँ and I wouldn't feel that hot, especially in Mumbai. So yeah, I mean the comfort is insane. It's great for when you're traveling as well. And इसको कुछ अच्छा सा fitted top के साथ में style किया तो it looks absolutely amazing. Very Pinterest coded, I would say. Again, I got this from H&M, but you can try any other brand that's available out there who has your size, because size बहुत ज़्यादा important है when it comes to denims. Don't buy a size bigger size and then try and fit into it because it won't look nice. Figure out what works for you and then only buy denims. Next category is trousers. Now this is a very recent favorite category because I feel like I'm growing up and I'm growing out of all these different sort of bottoms, and I'm leaning towards trousers and pants and stuff like that. The first one is this ivory trouser, basically a white trouser from this homegrown brand called Neff's Finds. I was in search for a trouser like this from a very long time, जो straight fit हो, ज़्यादा see through ना हो, and good quality, good flow and everything. So मुझे ये दिखा Instagram पे and I was contemplating कि मैं खरीदूँ या नहीं खरीदूँ, but then I was like let's try it out, क्या ही हो जाएगा. I've been loving it so far because I've worn it I think easily 10 times. I've gotten compliments. I've gotten so many messages from you guys on Instagram. I mean, this is such a great buy, such a great pair of trousers because it goes with everything. It fits me perfectly. It's a perfect length. It's so comfy. It's so airy. I mean, the material is very different from usual. Plus, it doesn't crease that easily. So, iron करने का झंझट नहीं है basically. ये slightly see-through है. I wouldn't deny that, but like it works. If you are wearing, you know, proper lingerie with it, it works. Next, obviously, we have a black colored trousers. Now, these are so versatile. I've worn it multiple times and I absolutely love it because, again, it's straight fit. It goes with all kinds of tops, shirts, etc. This one is from H&M. They make the most comfiest trousers, I feel. मुझे white color में मिल नहीं रहा था H&M में. That's why I had to go for another brand. But H&M के trousers, top notch. So good. So if you're an office going person, you should definitely consider H&M के trousers. Plus, priced very reasonably, I would say. A no-brainer. So a black trouser is a must. With trousers, being a skinny girl, I always go for like a straight fit sort of a situation because वो tapered trousers मेरे पे अच्छे नहीं लगते. It makes me feel shorter and more skinnier, if you know what I mean. So always go for these kind of fits, like straight fits, wide-legged pants, stuff like that. It'll help you out a lot. Next is another pair of pants which are a little different, fairly new addition to my closet. These are linen pants. Now I used to think ये pajama जैसे लगते हैं and they won't look nice if I wear them outside, but my sister made me look at them differently. She's like, if you style them properly and if these are like iron and everything, which it is not right now, sorry about that, but these look absolutely gorgeous when I style it with like a fitted nice tank top or like a jacket, and these are great for like just lounging, going for errands in this Mumbai heat. I mean, सब कुछ chip chip होता है, so these are very airy, very comfortable. It feels like you're not wearing anything. These ones are from Uniqlo. They do best linen pants out there. Like, they don't look like pajama basically. So if you want to get a pair, get from Uniqlo. Next, we have another piece which is not a mandate or a compulsion, but I feel if you're a fashion girly, you should have this particular piece in your closet because it would come in handy when you're trying to style an outfit or when you're going on a vacation, by the way. So I got this really pretty cotton white skirt last year when I was in Kerala for a vacation, and I absolutely love it. I mean, iska flare, iska color, iska fit, everything is so amazing. It will make you feel like a princess and a fairy. If you want to get a white skirt, get this one. Take my word for it. It's amazing. Now, the next section of the video is dedicated to short clothes. So if you're a girl who is not into short clothes, you can totally skip. First up, I have this denim skirt. Now, I have this from last 2 years and I've worn it more than 50 times. And every time I wear it, I get compliments from people. I get compliments from you guys on Instagram and stuff. It's just a very, very nice piece to have because, again, denim skirts बहुत versatile होते हैं. You can style them up, style them down. Everything goes with this. Like, legit everything. I got mine from Zara a couple years back, but I don't think they have it anymore, the same piece. So yeah, you can get it from any other brand that you like. H&M does good skirts. Then I think Bershka has some. You can check out some random brands on Myntra as well. Just make sure that it's good quality so that it lasts you for this long. Next, we have skirts. Now, I love skirts because they give you skirt type of feeling with shorts ka comfort. Matlab, it's a win-win situation for all of us out there, I guess. With this, you are free to move anywhere, do anything, jump around and stuff like that. I have this in white color and one I have in black color as well. The white one I got from H&M. This is a good quality skirt. It creases thoda easily, but apart from that, it's a great pick. It's very comfy. It's great for summer. It's a little see-through, so I have to wear like tights underneath just to prevent that because I don't feel comfortable otherwise. And the black one comes in handy when I'm going for like a night out, going for dancing, clubbing, or on a vacation maybe. This one I got from Zara again like a couple years back, and it's such good quality. I mean, Zara में अगर आपको मिल रहा है तो please ले लो. थोड़े से अगर पैसे ज़्यादा भी लग रहे हैं तो भी ले लो because Zara का quality is like top tier when it comes to skirts and skirts. This skirt is again a very like staple piece in my wardrobe because इसको कैसे भी स्टाइल कर सकते हैं, किसी के साथ भी पहन सकते हैं, with a blazer, with a shirt, with a top, with a fancy top, anything and everything. It looks great only. Now lastly, I have linen shorts which are again fairly new to my collection. I recently got them from Uniqlo, which I'm wearing right now. I don't know if you can see them, but yeah, these are so comfy. These are great for summer. इतनी गर्मी हो रही है अभी मुंबई में that I don't feel like wearing any kind of denims, trousers or anything for that matter. I want to roam around in my shorts and be comfortable. So this, when I pair it with like a very nice looking top, it looks great. I'll insert a picture for you to see see how I styled it recently. It's very comfortable, like very comfortable. I'm not even exaggerating. And that's about it. That's it for this video. I hope that this video helped you to understand what all you can have when it comes to bottoms as a skinny girl, especially because I know it's very difficult in our world. No one else would understand because it took me years to reach here where, you know, I know कि क्या सूट कर रहा है, क्या अच्छा लग रहा है, and क्या मुझे पहनना चाहिए and stuff like that. I really hope that this video helped you in some way or the other. If it did, please like this video, share it with your friends, comment below, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Also, let me know what other videos would you like to watch on my channel in the comments. Bye.